The people of a remote Chimbu district have been given the opportunity to ask the national government for road infrastructure and improvements to schools. Salt Nomane Karimui district asked the National Executive Council to fix roads in the district and end the neglect of basic service delivery that they have faced for a long time. National Planning Minister Charles Abel says district authorities will be created to promote better service delivery. Bethany Harriman with this special report.
The Salt Nomane Karimuri district located in South Chimbu is known as the back page of the Chimbu province. Several more kilometers to the south will take you to the Gulf province. This district, like many others, is remote. Service delivery has been a struggle. Yesterday, the people had a chance to voice their needs for infrastructures such as roads, health, and education. When members of the National Executive Council attended a road maintenance launching, the fixing of the 70-kilometer Bomai Highway looks to strengthen an economy based on the agricultural sector, a sector renowned for producing organic coffee exports. Paul Asi and several other community leaders speak for around 40,000 people who need schools and health centers after the roads are fixed.
Education. No matter how education, maybe like a two high schools. Inside of this two high schools, time in the globe. Time education, two high schools only start them when. No go, 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 no go.